Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm, and today is Sunday, June 6th, and we have a huge Sunday night live Q&A right here on our YouTube channel, Myshire Farm. You don't want to miss it. We have huge things going on. I dare say it might be the biggest live Q&A we've ever done. We're going to do the 18 and under contest and talk about that. We've got a new color coming out. We're going to show everybody first right there on the YouTube channel. We've got something going on our newbie quail lover site on Facebook. We're going to be starting a contest for the whole week for free hatching eggs from Myshire Farm. We're going to be talking about a breeder program tonight. We're going to be talking about an auction group tonight, and we have a huge announcement for next week, and I'm going to give you some details about it tonight. So you don't want to miss it. Make sure you're there on YouTube, Myshire Farm, live at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I can't wait to see you. See you then. Thanks.